warm good evening to all. I, Anvita Reddy, on behalf of EML and VOX, welcome you to today's lecture. We are privileged to have with us today Sri Jayant Sinha, the Honorable Minister of State for Civil Aviation. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. May I request everyone to stand for the national anthem. I now invite Mr. Gopal, the President of IIT Alumni Center, to welcome the speaker.
It gives me great pleasure to invite all of you for what promises to be an absorbing, thought-provoking session with Mr. Jayant Sinha. Mr. Jayant Sinha really needs no introduction, but I will still make an attempt. But before that, a few words about the VOX series. VOX, or Voices of Excellence, is a series of thought-provoking talks by thought leaders, and I intentionally am repeating the word thought again and again, to give stimulating ideas about various topics. We've had 3 talks till now in this series, and this is the 4th. And we are hoping, we expect, and we are confident that this will become a series which will be one of the better events organized by the IIT Alumni Center. We've had a galaxy of speakers till now, and we are privileged that Mr. Jayant Sinha agreed to share his thoughts on the subject, New Economics for a New India. A few words to introduce Mr. Jayant Sinha. A brilliant academic background, a distinguished career in consulting, followed by a distinguished career again in investment companies, and finally, a distinguished career in public service, which is just started. What a dynamic and a dynamite combination. He is currently the Honorable Minister of State for Civil Aviation, a member of the Indian Parliament, and formerly the Honorable Minister of State for Finance. His prior business experience includes 12 years with McKinsey as a partner in the Boston and Delhi offices. At McKinsey, he co-led the global software and IT service practice. He was, before he entered public service, a partner at Omidyar Network, an investment firm with over $1 billion invested capital. Mr. Sinha led Omidyar Network's overall investment strategy and operations in India. He also spent a few years before that as managing director at Courage Capital, a global special situations hedge fund. He holds an MBA with distinction from Harvard Business School, an MS in Energy Management and Policy from UPenn, and a Bachelor of Technology degree with distinction from IIT Delhi. A clap for one of our own. Prior to joining active politics, Mr. Sinha provided policy inputs on several new initiatives such as the mortgage interest tax reduction and the Saral form to file income tax returns. He also, prior to joining public service, advised the Indian government on spurring entrepreneurship and impact investing, and was one of the principal authors of the McKinsey NASSCOM industry reports in 2000 and 2005. He has been a member of 4 parliamentary committees. I won't go into detail on which they are. As a minister in the Ministry of Finance, he worked on landmark initiatives such as PM Mudra Yojana, Social Security Platform, devising the Indradhanush package for public sector banks, launching the India Aspiration Fund to promote entrepreneurship, and strengthening India's capital markets. He piloted key legislations, namely the Insurance Bill, Bankruptcy Bill, Negotiable Instruments Act, and the Regional Rural Banks in Parliament. He is often credited for devising and driving innovative financing solutions such as the National Infrastructure and Investment Fund, Long-Term Irrigation Fund, India Aspiration Fund, and so on. At the Ministry of Civil Aviation, again, some landmark movements in Udan, and also his current assignment, possibly his toughest one, on the privatization of Air India. At IIT Delhi, he was very active in quiz, debates, theatre, and tennis, and won many awards in many intercollegiate events. Actually, one of his quizzing partners is here today from IIT Delhi. Anant, where are you? Okay. So, before I request Mr. Jayant Sinha to come and share his thoughts, I take this opportunity to thank the student volunteers from EML, Professor Preeti, and the director for the phenomenal support given in organizing this event and agreeing to host this event in the IIT campus. Thank you. And may I invite the director to come and say a few words?
Thank you very much. On behalf of the students, faculty, and staff of the institute, let me also take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Jayant Sinha to our campus. I was happy to learn from him. This is not the first time he's coming here. As he mentioned, he is coming here as part of the quiz team from IIT Delhi more than once. He says during the, that time it was called Mardi Gras. I told him now we call it Sarang. And I think he remembers he's come twice. He has been, even in these last few years, he's been very involved in thinking about how the IIT system will evolve. He had a big role to play in the higher education financing agency that has been set up to enable not just the IITs now, but the entire higher education system to leverage funds from the market to build infrastructure faster and better. And he's also been involved in the new Institution of Eminence scheme that has been set up. So he's been leading some discussions on what is the roadmap forward for institutions like IIT to become financially self-sufficient and autonomous on a longer term period. So a person from the IIT system with great interest in making this become better and run better. And also, as has already been explained, is doing phenomenal work in civil aviation and in other aspects of government. So we are very thrilled, delighted to have this talk by him as part not only of the Vox series of the Pan IIT Alumni Center, but also of the extramural lecture series run by our students in this institute. So thank you, sir, for accepting the invitation, and we look forward to a fantastic talk. I invite you now to, since you visited it, it has pictures from those times. So we hope you enjoyed. We were discussing about alumni and their involvement in giving. So this is a book that describes what we have done in the last year in terms of... Wonderful. Thank you. Just want to leave it with you for reading on the plane.
Thank you.
This is a fruit basket from the institute.